Be ready. Start. As the position in this respect is not too clear at present, the following procedure for the purpose has been decided upon in consultation with the Ministry of Law and may be noted for future guidance. Stop. A government servant wishing to adopt a new name or to effect any modification in his existing name should be asked to adopt the change formally by a deed changing his name. Stop. In order that the execution of the document may not be in doubt, it is desirable that it should be attested by two witnesses, preferably those known to the head of the department in which the government servant is serving. Stop. A sample deed form is enclosed herewith for reference. Stop. The execution of the deed should be followed by publication of the change in a prominent local newspaper as well as the Gazette of India, publication being undertaken by the government servant at his own expenses in both cases. Stop. For the publication of the advertisement in the Gazette of India, government servant should be directed to approach publication branch civil lines daily. Stop. It is only after the formalities described in the foregoing paragraph have been complied with, the satisfactory evidence of identity and execution of the document adduced by the government servant, that the adoption of the new name or change in the existing name should be recognized officially, and entries in government records so far as may be necessary being extended accordingly. Stop. The copies of the relevant documents should be retained by the head of the office concerned. Stop. I am directed to say that the question of government servants having recourse to courts of law in matters arising out of their employment or conditions of service has been engaging the attention of government for some time past, and it is considered necessary to lay down that in the matter of grievances arising out of a government servant's employment or conditions of service, the proper course is to seek redress from the appropriate departmental and governmental authorities. Stop. Any attempt by a government servant to seek a decision on such issues in a court of law, even in cases where such a remedy is legally admissible, without first exhausting the normal official channels of redress, can only be regarded as contrary to official propriety and subversive of good discipline, and may well justify the initiation of disciplinary action against the government servant. Stop. These instructions may therefore be brought to the notice of all government servants of your department/office. Stop. I am directed to invite a reference to clause C in Regulation 5 of the Punjab and Northwest Frontier Province Joint Public Service Commission Limitation of Functions Regulations, which provides that consultation with the Commission shall not be necessary in the case of officiating promotion or transfers to any service or post when at the time of making the promotion or transfer there is a reason to suppose that the officiating promotion or transfer will be for not more than 6 months. Stop.